Hey everybody, this is Pete Sanchez and my daughter Victoria, my son Pete the fourth. So today we are doing inside sales training. We're doing script, role-playing, handling objections. So let's go ahead and get started. So again, remember when you call the people, you have to sound excited. Okay? You gotta be excited, you gotta have a smile. So let's start off with you, Victoria. So hello, my name is Victoria. And I'm calling because you wanted to buy a home in San Diego? Is that correct? Very good, very good. So now it's Pete's turn. Hello, my name's Pete. You saw our Facebook ad that you wanted to buy a home in San Diego. Is that correct? Awesome. Okay, great. So, yes. All right, well, let's practice it. Hello, ring ring.
Hello, ring ring.
Who's there?
Who's there?
This is Pete.
This is Pete.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Did you guys set the appointment?
Yeah?
Awesome, good job. Good job. Have a great day, guys. Bye.
I